how to use the Cottagecore chat theme on Facebook Messenger. Now let's say you have this specific conversation that you want to change the theme of, and you want to use your Facebook Messenger as a medium of that. Now in order for you to change the chat theme into Cottagecore, all you have to do is to tap on that specific conversation right there and click on this eye icon on the upper corner right here. Now once you're here, you will be able to see that under customization, the theme that we are about to tap on. So we just have to tap on that, and then we just have to scroll down until we find Cottagecore theme right here. Now once we located that, all we have to do is tap on that, and we are given a preview as to how our chats will look like. If we decided to use this specific chat theme as our theme on this specific conversation, all we have to do is to tap on select right here, and now this conversation has been turned into Cottagecore chat theme. So that's how to use the Cottagecore chat theme on Facebook Messenger. Hope we helped.